Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable cookies on Samsung Internet Browser. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable cookies on Internet Browser on Samsung or disable Samsung Internet Browser, all you need to do is go ahead and open the browser app on your Samsung phone. Once opened, click on the three dots at the bottom right, then locate and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you want to scroll down and click on Sites and Download. So click on that. Under Site and Download, locate and click on Site Permissions. This is where you have access to the cookies. Click on it. Now, to disable cookies, all you need to do is go ahead and block all cookies. Then click on Block Cookies. You have successfully disabled cookies on the Samsung Internet Browser. However, to enable cookies, just go ahead and click on Cookies under Set Permission and then click on Allow All Cookies. And if you want to block cookies for third-party cookies only, just select that and then you are good. So that is basically how to enable or disable cookies on Samsung Internet Browser. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.